Good morning students, let us discuss now about question number 5 in exercise 1.4. The question is, find the square root by prime factorization method, the first subdivision 144. Prime factorization method we know already, we have to divide by the prime numbers the number. 144 the prime number, we can divide first by 2 because it is a even number, so we can choose 2 to divide. Now 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again we can divide by 2. Now 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Again we can divide by 2, 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Again we can divide by 2, it is 9. Again we can divide by, we can't divide by 2, so we have to choose 3. Now if we are choose 3, we will get 1. Okay, now 144 equal to, what are the numbers we get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. If it is a square root, we must use this symbol. It is a square root means we have to use this symbol, and we have to pair the element. We have to group the element, 2 element we have to group it. Then among these two we have to write only one element. Among these two we have to write only one. Here we have to use only one. Now this is the square root of 144. The value is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 12. So square root of 144 equal to 12. This is our answer. Now subdivision 2, the given number is 256. As usual it is a even number, so we need to divide by first 2. We will get 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Again we can divide by 2, 1 2 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Again we can divide by 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again we can divide by 2, 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Again we can divide by 2, it will be 8. Again we can divide by 2, it will be 4 2s are 8. Again we can divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. Again we can divide by 2, it will be 1. So 256 we can write as, how many times 2's occur? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times we have to write 2. Next, the square root of 256. Instead of these two, we choose only 1, 2. Instead of these two, we have to choose only 1. Instead of these two, we have to choose only 1. Instead of these two, we have to choose only 1. So we need to pair the elements while taking the square root. We need to pair, and from the pair we have to write only 1. Okay. Next we have to multiply these values. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now square root of 256 equal to 60. Solution 5, 4761. It is not an even number, so we have to divide by 3 first. When we divide by 3, 1 3s are 3, remaining 1, 5 3s are 15, remaining 2, 8 3s are 24, remaining 2, 7 3s are 21. Next we can divide by same 3, 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, remaining 2, 9 3s are 27. Now 529 we get, it will divide by 23. When we divide by 23, the answer will be 23. That is 23 into 23 is 529. Okay. So we can divide this one by 23. We will get 1. Now 4761 equal to 3 into 3 into 23 into 23. Square root of 4761 equal to, instead of these two we have to write only once, and only one time 23. Okay. Now 3 into 23, the answer is 69. Therefore, square root of 4761 equal to 69. Do the remaining questions in fifth one as your homework. I will meet you next class. Thank you so much.